मेरे पास माँ है, वो भी दो.
Zoya, I'm going to take this to you, unless Salim Sahab would
Gen
like to
Z
say
तो
a few
ये
words.
उस वक्त से थे, पहले से the way they've lived their lives today is very difficult for Farhan and me to live our lives the way they've lived their lives. तो इसमें नेगेटिव भी बहुत आ गया उस वक्त. So they didn't care. Today we are made to feel that we should care, where we should not actually.
That's so true. Thank you. Thank you.
That comes from.
I mean, there is only one word which is badass, and I said that on stage. Shoot me. I don't care, but that's who they were. Zoya, I would love for you to tell us what your favorite dialogue is. And Farhan, we're back there.
Actually, I'm going to go with what Reema said, which is Gabbar's dialogue, जो डर गया समझो मर गया.
मर गया. बिल्कुल. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. Farhan?
My favorite dialogue, I've actually made a film. I love that film so much. Dawn ko पकड़ना मुश्किल ही नहीं नामुमकिन है was my favorite dialogue. But I think to just paraphrase one line that they've used in a film, and that question came up earlier also, lunch कब है? Lunch कब है? Lunch.
Lunch कब है? Well, lunch will happen.
Minus मुझसे भी पूछना
Yes,
है.
sir. Sorry. sir.
Minus मेरे पास माँ है, वो भी दो.
20th August. That's all I want to say for now.
Amazon का promotion. You know, one thing I've worked with a lot of writers, and so has Farhan, with a lot of writers, they write. Salim Javed thought. They put their life's experiences, what they've learned from people around, what they've seen, what their parents have taught them, what their children, have, the way they've grown up. So they've taken from life and they put it on cinema. The rest of the writers, cinema से उठा के cinema में डाला है. God makes men. They don't want to be men anymore. He makes a lot of men. But in this generation, they don't want to be men. These two here, my father and Javed Sahab, they're men, they're still men, because they want to be men.
Woo! Ideally, this is the point where we drop our mics and go backstage. But there's a couple of more questions, and don't shoot the messenger. I would love for Reema to get in a word at this point. Reema, this is my favorite question. Okay, so this question is for you. And that is, what is your biggest takeaway from this docuseries?
I think they're great. The fact that, like Salman just said, what they were writing at that time, it was so reflective of what was happening in society. And also, I think writers were treated quite shabbily at that time. In the industry, they had no status. And these two gentlemen came and just kind of broke all of that and just shattered, the glass ceiling. And it's very inspiring. And I think it's inspiring to somebody who's not a filmmaker or a writer too, because it's your genuine rags to riches, against all odds kind of story.
Absolutely. Thank you so much.